Well, viewers, this is a story that directly concerns you because from your morning tea to dinner on the table, the cost of cooking has gone up once again. Cooking gas has become more expensive, with the price of a domestic LPG cylinder being hiked by 29 rupees, taking the cost of a 14 kg cylinder in Delhi to 942 rupees. This is also the second LPG price hike in the last 3 months. The government, however, has said that Indian households continue to pay among the lowest cooking gas prices in the entire world. Back on the 7th of March, cooking gas prices were increased for the first time since the Iran war started, and prices were increased by 60 rupees. And now for the second time, the prices have gone up by 29 rupees. This takes the total hike in the last 3 months to almost 90 rupees. There are two reasons for the hike. A large share of India's LPG imports pass through the Strait of Hormuz, which is blocked. And secondly, India imports more than 60% of its LPG requirements, making domestic prices highly sensitive to global market movements. Let's take a look at the numbers. Look at it on your screens. From Delhi to Mumbai, Kolkata to Chennai, the LPG prices have been climbing step by step over the last 90 days. First, it was the jump of 60 rupees, then another increase by 29 rupees. So the result is that households across India are now paying significantly more for the very same cylinder than they were paying for it just a few months ago when the war had just started. So the LPG price timeline across major metros gets you the details of how prices have changed and how the burden has increased on the households. Take a look at this ground report.
कॉमन मैन के लिए चैलेंज तो ये तीसरी चौथी बार बढ़ रहा है, तो पता नहीं महीने का मैनेज करने में मुश्किल होता है। फिर भी गवर्नमेंट ने गैस के लिए कुछ पर्याय देने चाहिए, सोलर या फिर वो क्या इलेक्ट्रिक वाले।
अभी देखो घर का भी गैस का अगर ऐसे ही तरीके से भाव बढ़ गया तो सामान्य आदमी का जीना मुश्किल हो जाएगा। मुझे लगता है सरकार ने इसके बारे में सोचना चाहिए कि आप पेट्रोल के भाव बढ़ा रहे हो, डीजल के भाव बढ़ा रहे हो, अभी घरगुती गैस जो आप कॉमन मैन के रोज इस्तेमाल की चीज है उसके ऊपर कॉमन मैन डिपेंड है, वो भी अगर भाव बढ़ाएंगे तो वो नहीं चलेगा।
कॉमन पब्लिक को तो फर्क तो गिरने वाला ही है। 29 रुपए से गैस महंगा हो गया, लेकिन सरकार भी उसके लिए कुछ कर नहीं सकते। और चल रहा है इसके लिए उसका इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है। वर्ल्ड वॉर है, इसके लिए पूरा दुनिया को इसका असर है। नॉट ओनली गैस, लेकिन डीजल पेट्रोल की भी महंगे है, लेकिन ये अपने को फेस करने का है। ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ, ऐसे सालों साल हुआ है। इसके लिए गवर्नमेंट भी अपने कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
It will affect the common man much more, like it will affect like upper middle class people. So it's not really a good thing. It's not really a good show for the whole of India. So it's really bad, like rising the prices by 30 rupees in a single day is really bad for the economy as well. The common man would not be able to afford it, and local businesses like this will not be able to run.
Now, a key argument that has been put forward by the centre is that households are still paying substantially lesser than the actual cost of the LPG. The government has also released a comparison of the LPG prices across countries to support this argument that Indian consumers continue to receive relatively cheaper cooking gas. Now, according to the figures, an effective Ujjwala cylinder price of 642 rupees is lower than Pakistan's 1042 rupees. In Nepal, the very same gas will cost as much as 1200 rupees. And in Bangladesh, it is approximately 1225 rupees, whereas in Sri Lanka, it would cost 1241 rupees. So the gap is wider when compared with the other countries. Like developed countries, it is much wider. Equivalent prices were also estimated at around 1,755 rupees in the United States, 1,765 in Australia, and 2,411 in Canada. Government says that even a non-Ujjwala consumer paying 942 rupees continues to pay about 700 rupees lesser than the market-linked cost. So the government has said that the main reason behind this increase is the sharp rise in international LPG prices following the disruptions in West Asia and in the Strait of Hormuz. The government has said that around 54% of India's LPG consumption dependent on imports that are routed through the Strait of Hormuz, making the country quite vulnerable when the waterway came under pressure. But despite this, the government has said that India was among the few countries that managed to keep the energy cargoes moving. Listen in to the reaction.
Government has already reduced the excise almost to into rupees 10 on the crude petrol and diesel. So government is taking the burden which is required. But again, it's all because of the situation in West Asia, because of the war. And it's not India. The worldwide countries are facing this same as far as the fuel prices goes. India is much better than what is happening in the world today.
Now, from the Congress to the Samajwadi Party and the TMC, the opposition parties have trained their guns on the central government over the rise in domestic LPG prices. Now, they claim that the LPG cylinder prices have increased by over 520 rupees in just the last 12 years, and they're questioning the repeated price hikes at a time when the oil marketing companies are reporting whopping profits. Here's what they had to say.
ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಬೇರೆ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬಹಳ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗಂತ ಒಂದು ಏರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೊಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾಳೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
प्रॉब्लम हो रही है इससे क्योंकि इससे महंगाई आसमान छू रही है मिडिल क्लास और लोअर मिडिल क्लास के लिए तो बिल्कुल ही मुसीबत की घड़ी है ये और इसमें एक ही चीज की अफसोस है मुझे कि सबको पता था कि ये एक वैश्विक प्रॉब्लम है और मोदी जी के हाथ में भी नहीं है इसको सॉल्व करना मगर इसको एक्सेप्ट करना चाहिए था एक्सेप्ट करते जनता को एक्सप्लेन करते और कॉन्फिडेंस में लेते आप ऑल द टाइम कहते रहे कि हम तो विश्व गुरु हैं सब खुद हम हैंडल कर लेंगे हर चीज विश्व गुरु हैंडल नहीं कर पाता है
The government didn't pass on the benefit to the common people. Now when the international price has been increased, that has been passed on to the people. So this government has been very anti-people.
मोदी जी का कार्यकाल प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में देश का सबसे काला अध्याय माना जाएगा लोग इन्हें याद करेंगे महंगाई मैन के रूप में जैसे कलाम साहब को मिसाइल मैन के रूप में याद किया इनकी महंगाई कुछ उसी हिसाब से बढ़ रही है
Well, that's hogwash for the lack of a better word. The fact is that oil marketing companies, the ones that supply petrol, diesel, LPG to households across the country and to businesses, have made whopping profits. The three oil marketing companies, BPCL, IOC and HPCL, which control 90% of the market share, made 140% more profit in the financial year 25-26 over the financial year 24-25. Even in the quarter of January to March 2026, when the US-Israeli attack on Iran had commenced, they made a profit of 19,000 odd crores collectively.
मैं जब पश्चिम बंगाल का चुनाव चल रहा था तब भी आपसे भी कहा था और अन्य चैनलों पर भी कहा था कि वो सरकार है जो मौका अपना निकाल के ठगती है और चुनाव खत्म होते ही ये दाम बढ़ने शुरू करेंगे और ये डोज किस्तों में देंगे धीरे धीरे बढ़ता जाएगा ये दिशाविहीन सरकार है जिसकी न अपनी कोई सोच है न कोई रणनीति है न कोई योजना है ये ढाक पर चलती है और जिसका खामियाजा देश को भुगतना पड़ रहा है
My colleague Shefali is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Shefali, you also spoke to many people. In fact, Times Now has spoken to residents who have spoken about how this is going to burden their household or their monthly budget for the families. And people are unhappy with the kind of hikes. But the government has said that this is still lower compared to the prices globally. Take us through the politics around this price rise.
Right, while government has made a particular stance saying that India is paying much less amount in comparison to if you see the countries around the globe, but India is one country which is paying much less domestic prices in terms of gas. But we are seeing politics happening around it where opposition parties are targeting the government, stating that this was this was foreseeable. People, they knew it, this is going to happen. Just government was waiting for the right time, waiting for elections to get over, and that is when they would charge people more in installments, as said by one of the leaders of Samajwadi Party. Not just that, government, even DK Shivkumar has said that we have sought for a report about why this hike is happening in terms of not just domestic industrial gas prices are also increasing. Not just that, even if we talk about other Congress leaders, if we talk about Pramod Tiwari, he himself said that, called Prime Minister Modi a Mehngai man. But when we talk about BJP is countering the narrative, saying that this is all because of the West Asia crisis, and government is trying to take burden onto them as much as they can. But they are saying that the OMCs are bleeding, they are still not making profit, they are making losses, while opposition is claiming that OMCs have been making profit, and it is going to, the burden will be on the people, on the middle class, on the lower class people who won't be able to afford these prices.
Okay, all right. Shefali, thank you for joining us with all those details.